شديد السواد الشار لا يرى عليه أثر السفر ولا يعرف منا أحد حتى جلس إلى النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم فأسند
Mufti from class 10th. I am here to express my gratitude to my most respectable teachers. Thank you so much for every single effort that you have made in our lives to make our lives even a little bit better. In the worst darkness when everything seemed to dwindle. In the sweltering heat of ignorance when I hardly know how an alphabet A is written. When I couldn't understand why I should wear a uniform while I set out for school. It was you, with a smiling face, politely taught me what being
for you and me, who gave its tongue to speak, ears to listen, and who is the owner of the day of judgment. Respected GMS sir, honorable teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, on 5th September 2024, I am going to share the experiences of the school, about teachers and my knowledge from the past 1.5 years.
Sania Nazir from class 10th with a tribute to one and only our beloved chairman sir. Sir, it's your voice and your words that soothe my soul. My tribute will never ever completely justify your greatness. But as always, I have tried my best to say a big thank you to you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I would like to quote a few lines in your honor. जिनके किरदार से आती हो सदाकत की महक, जिनके किरदार से आती हो सदाकत की महक, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल सकते हैं. Sir, personally for him. Ilimgu don achan hund gashasun, ilimgu don achan hund gashasun, karun huasil magar bardashasun. In this special event on 5th September, we are here to celebrate our Teachers' Day. But do you know what does it actually means? Teachers have a very good personality because it is the profession of our prophets. Allah sent 1,14,000 prophets to the world as teachers. So their responsibility and their status is very high. उस्ताद का मर्तबा कितना बुलंद है, ये हमें इस बात से पता चलता है कि हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, इन्नमा बुइस्तु मुअल्लिमा, यानी आप रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इस दुनिया में मुअल्लिम बनाकर भेजे गए. और हजरत अली ने भी फरमाया है कि इफ अ पर्सन टीचेस मी अ सिंगल वर्ड ही मेड मी अ सर्वेंट फॉर अ लाइफ टाइम, यानी जिस इंसान ने भी मुझे एक लफ्ज भी सिखाया उसने मुझे पूरी जिंदगी का गुलाम बना दिया है. और मैं इस पे आप लोगों का एक
When I studied in school, this day seemed so far away. Now it's here and I can't believe that time has passed so quickly. I feel I am ready for tomorrow's challenges. Teacher plays such an important part in shaping and guiding, especially teachers like you. Thank you for caring so much. उसे बाप से ज़्यादा मोहब्बत है या उस्ताद से?
बस उस्ताद ही फिक्रमंद है सबके उरूज के लिए, बस उस्ताद ही फिक्रमंद है सबके उरूज के लिए, यहाँ किसी को किसी का ख्याल थोड़ी है.
हम शायद याद न रख पाए हर चीज जो आपने सिखाई है, हम शायद याद न रख पाए हर चीज जो आपने सिखाई है, पर ये बात हमेशा याद रखेंगे कि जिंदगी आपने बनाई है.
Teachers teach us geography and history, language, physics, biology and chemistry. Teach us everything from biology and geography.
From history's depth to math's wild ride, to the laughter and lessons we can't hide. We have had our fun and now we will show the quirks and wisdom that help us grow.
Chairman sir, a leader who guides with vision and might. Chairman sir, a shining light in our sight.
With wisdom and foresight, he paves the way, inspiring us to strive for a brighter day. We salute you, Chairman Sir, with gratitude and respect for being a role model and a true leader we accept. May your legacy continue to inspire and motivate, a true Chairman Sir who makes a difference create.
Sahil sir, you have got the best jokes in town. Your advice, pure wisdom, never a frown. You make learning Urdu a joy, we are all hooked. Even if the whole class is where we laugh and learn, with your witty lines, we never squirm. Homework might pile up, but we don't mind. In your class, fun and learning are perfectly combined.
Bilal sir, the history king. Your class is always a blast. We are all hooked from the first to the last. How you remember so much history will always be a mystery. You have got more facts than any book could show. Your teaching style keeps us all in tune, making history feels like an afternoon cartoon.
With his Kashmiri pride so grand, taught us the language with a steady hand. We would mix up words like a wild blender. You would laugh and say, at least you're a contender. But let's face it, you're straightforward to the core. You would tell us the truth, no fluff or more.
A kind human being never clown. You agree with all our wild plans and never shut down our outlands demands. Your patience, sir, is something rare. You would listen to us without a care. We would talk and talk and talk. You would just grin, making us feel like we always win.
In spring, but let's be honest, it's not our favorite theme. We would look at numbers with a shiver and a shake, hoping we would make it through without a mistake. You made us sweat, you made us strive, trying to keep those math fears alive. Yet despite our dread and the occasional sigh, we know your lessons helped us reach the sky.
Farooq sir, your stories were never a few, and somehow they always felt brand new.